Good morning, friends. A lot of petitions are being filed in the high courts regarding the incidents of COVID-19, maybe on behalf of the migrant workers and sometimes maybe personal. This is one such personal issue where the petitioner requested the Honorable High Court of Delhi to direct the government to formulate a proposal and a correct procedure for the home quarantining because he suffered. Right. So, but the Honorable High Court of Delhi rejected, saying that formulation of policy doesn't come under the court purview. It is Article 20, of course, he filed the petition under Article 26, that is almost public interest litigation. And he said that the High Court stated that the High Court has actually it doesn't envisage any powers for the formulation of policies because administrative side, the NCT Delhi, they have to take the so-called formulation procedure. Now, let's go into the core issue, number one. So, while disposing the writ petition civil number 3016 by 2020, in between Amit Bhargava versus state of NCT, National Capital Territory of Delhi, you may be knowing. So, on 11/5/2020, the High Court of Delhi stated the formulation of policy for home quarantine and also for the people, it is left to the state government and not to the court, right? So normally you may be knowing there are three wings of the power. Number one is legislative, second is executive, and on the top judiciary. So the legislative will formulate certain laws. The executive, of course, at times basing on the derived powers, delegatory powers, they will also frame certain rules. And the direction, the function of the court is to interpret them, whether they are according to the procedure or not. That's all. Right. Now let us go into the issues. Right. So they have cited a case law also. Better I will read the case law. So State of Himachal Pradesh versus Satpal Saini, 2017. So formulation of the policy is not maintainable as Article 226 does not direct framing of policies in the view of the High Court. Right. So what happened is this Amit Bhargava, let us say he is the petitioner or plaintiff, he is the petitioner in this particular public interest litigation. So you are well aware that from 22nd of March onwards the nation went into the so-called lockdown after the Janata curfew. So on 24/3/2020, this man ordered a pizza. The pizza boy came and handed over the pizza to him. He ate it well. But on 14/4/2020, almost 20 days later, this pizza boy was tested corona positive. Yes, the pizza boy who got in contact with the petitioner, so he was found to be pizza positive, corona positive on 14/4/2020. So immediately he is the resident of Delhi. So the Delhi health authorities, police, all these people, so they traced the primary contacts, secondary contacts. They have gone through the entire list of the pizza delivery, and ultimately they came to know the petitioner is also one of them. Therefore, he was asked to undergo the home quarantine from 15/4/2020 for a period of 14 days. Normally, it will be for 14 days. If at all it is extended, maybe up to 28 days. So let us take the 14 days period time. So he was asked to go for home quarantine from 15th actually. Right. So yes, he obliged. Yes. So the authorities came and actually they have pasted a notice before his house asking him to go undergo quarantine because of the pizza boy. Right, fine, okay. but the trouble started here. On 17/4/2020, just after 2 days, the authorities came once again and in the name of the district magistrate, North Kailash or someplace, Delhi, so a warning memo was issued to him. The warning memo states that even though he was asked to be in home quarantine, it is learned that he is not observing the home quarantine properly, and he has become a potential threat to the neighbors, and stay in the home itself. Be in the home, be a hero. Otherwise, the authorities may initiate action under Disaster Management Act, Epidemic Disease Act, besides the Indian Penal Code. This is the synopsis of the letter or warning letter given to him. So he felt annoyed. No, I have not at all I have not violated the so-called home quarantine. I did not go outside. Why this warning? So he asked the people, they said no, just they have fixed the warning and went away. Right, okay. So once again on 25th or 25th, they came, the authorities came and asked him, because 28th, the period of 14 days is over. They asked him, he has to go undergo the so-called home quarantine for a period of 14 days, for which he refused, and ultimately he filed a case before the Honorable High Court, stating that this is not only my fate, this is the fate of so many others. So here what he has mentioned is, request to the Honorable Court is, please give specific directions to the government to follow the rules or to follow a framework. So what is the authorized period for keeping a person in the home quarantine? If at all any violation is there, whether they have to give a notice to him or not, whether they have to take his reply under the principles of natural justice or not. Can they extend like that? This is only one-sided or lopsided, and rapidly it is irregular. So that is in his idea. Therefore, he approached the court, request the Honorable Court to give the directions to the District Magistrate of NCT, Delhi. Right, now the matter was taken away before the court. Anyway, as a routine procedure, so even though he filed the petition, it was taken on file, and a notice was given to the respondent, that is NCT Delhi. On behalf of the NCT Delhi, the respondent, they have also attended and they gave an explanation. Now here, the petitioner argued that warning notice is completely false and it is not on facts. So he did not violate any home quarantine rules. Even after 28/4/20, the officials asked him to remain in quarantine till the notice was removed. So therefore, he is saying, of course, he's a lawyer, she is a lady, she is telling that the period of quarantine is not in conformity with the guidelines for the home quarantine given by the Director General Health Services. Right. So, but please remember, the respondent, they relied on Section 73 and Section 74 of the Disaster Management Act, and also Regulation number 19 of COVID-19 2020 rules. So the government, NCT Delhi, they formed certain rules on the so-called COVID-19. So they are called as Ordinance 2020. So according to the lines, they stated that if ever the person who is kept in home quarantine, his movements will be watched. So people will be coming and observing him. If at all anybody, neighbors, if they make any complaint, then only such things do come. But in this stage of pandemic, it is maybe it may not be possible to give them a notice, to take the explanation, all these things. That too, the respondent, that the government stated that no action was taken against him. Only he was giving a warning memo. And that too, from 28/4 onwards, he is free. So no notice was there right from 28/4/2020. Of course, they might have asked him because as per record purpose, they stated that the period of quarantine ended with 28/4/2020. So that 14 days. So they also added another thing. On 27/4/2020, 27th of April, this petitioner was tested. He has undergone the coronavirus test and he was found negative of the COVID-19. Therefore, there is no point in the state saying that he has to be in the home quarantine. Ultimately, the Honorable High Court of Delhi stated that this is not a stage where we can give directions for formulation of a policy. It is for the state to form the policy and they have to follow the guidelines. Of course, here what they found faulty with is that the government should not have given a notice to him without proper verification. And even though they have given the notification, they should have given the particular date. That means on so and so date you are found loitering, you are found going out, you are found in the veranda. Therefore, why not the home quarantine should be extended? Like that they have written. But it is only just on the basing on the gossip. It is learned that you have become a potential threat to the neighbors and all these things. They do not look nice. Anyway, the government should be careful here afterwards. So with this, the petitioner is disposed of without any cause or without any direction. Please remember, according to Article 26, even though you file a petition under public interest litigation, the court is not inclined to formulate any policy because it is an administrative agitation. Therefore, normally they do not want to overlap with the administration. So anyway, there is a beautiful case where the person aggrieved by the orders of the district magistrate. That means you may be knowing district magistrate means collector rank. Of course, in cities, the additional DM will be the commissioner, collector will be the DM. So he has got executive powers here. So, according to the Epidemic Diseases Act, Section 2 says the public authority is competent to give any directions, to make any rules, to prevent the so-called contagion. So, anyway, both of them are correct. Anyway, aggrieved by at least this man is able to bring it to the notice of the court. And of course, the court has literally, in other words, it has in a nice way warned the state not to give such warnings without verification. Thank you.